Welcome to Judge News. Let's see what happens when the judge hears this case.
Have to be real. Had that been Blanche, he would have been punched. So I'm just saying. I mean, I would have been tagged out, he'd be down.
Are we going to just pass this and have him come back later?
I'm sorry, I didn't hear you.
Your name.
Tariq Samar, Tariq Ade.
Okay. All right. What are we doing in this case?
Oh, I'm still waiting for the hearing for the jurisdiction hearing. I put in
For what?
the jurisdiction hearing. Put in a motion for a dismissal for lack of jurisdiction.
When did you put that motion in?
It's been, I'm not sure when it was
Did you
filed.
file a written motion?
Yes. I didn't get a receipt or anything. It says they filed it and or at some time.
Have the people received a copy of a motion regarding jurisdiction?
No, in May, the last time a different prosecutor and Your Honor and everybody else was here, there was conversation on the record about the defendant having filed the motion. We're still waiting for the defendant.
Competency. I don't have a competency report.
There's a quote we'd like to quote, Your Honor, in our files. And the quote is about how we will not be addressing this until the competency report is back.
Thank you.
And then it would have to go through his counsel.
And the other thing, okay, so that your counsel, I will give you an opportunity to look at it because I don't know what to make of it. He sent something to the court. Like an attempted to draw a check on the back of a birth certificate and then some notice of adequate assurance for performance and settlement. Whatever. So we will give counsel an opportunity to look at that. I will adjourn this matter out for competency. I was giving what date? October.
Talk to.
October 20th.
They said that the competency hearing was on the 25th. I wasn't given any other information after
Say
that.
it again.
And I tried to ask him at the last hearing, and he said it'd be coming in the mail.
And October 24th, 2024, 9 a.m. If we get a report prior to then I'll move the date up.
Thank you.
Thank you. Counsel, we will let you look at that. Maybe we can, what we'll do is we'll just make copies of it.
Thank you.
Send it to you.
So what has happened is.
Thank you. Sir, in the lines, what's your name?
Austin Douglas Smith.
Are you on the docket?
That's my attorney right there. She said I was at 9, but now I'm at 11.
Okay, you're at 11?
Yeah, I was
All right, I'm getting messages that you're causing problems in our hallway out there.
oh, sorry. I didn't even know. Was I doing wrong?
Pardon?
Sorry, I didn't know what I was doing wrong. Sorry, Your Honor. I just have a court case that I was trying to. I didn't know what I was doing wrong. I was listening to music.
Okay, I don't want any trouble. Anybody tells you to do something, you better follow their instructions. Otherwise, we're gonna have a real difficult time at 11.
Yes, sir. 11. So you'll be come back in or stay in here.
Wherever you're gonna behave, you can stay. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Court is standing in recess.
All right.
That you operated an unregistered vehicle. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
That's a misdemeanor, also punishable by up to 90 days, $100 fine plus court costs. You understand that, sir? Yes?
Yes, sir.
All right. First question I have for you is, do you want to be represented by an attorney?
I'm sorry.
Do you want to be represented by an attorney?
No, sir.
Okay, so what are you going to do in this case?
I was looking to dismiss both of them.
Yeah, I'm sure you were. How do you think that's going to happen?
I'm not sure.
Who might know how that might happen?
My mom. I don't.
So, how old are you, young lady?
21.
You in school?
Yes.
Where? I teach there, so I know they're a lot smarter than me right now. So my question, you want the case dismissed,
Yes,
right?
sir.
So who might assist you if that is a possible option in getting it dismissed?
You?
I'm not here to assist anybody.
Oh, attorney?
Oh, wow. I know. Get out. So I now will ask you the question again. Do you wish to be represented by an attorney?
Yes, sir.
Okay, there we go. See, that's washed off. All right. This is a public defender case.
Assistant Public Defender Natalie Patewood, and on behalf of Ms. Gray, Your Honor, we would waive any further reading of the complaint, stand view as my client, or ask for pre-trial date and a PR bond, Your Honor.
Dependent having waived formal reading, standing mute, court will enter a not guilty plea. First thing I'll do is pre-trial will be set. There's what day?
August 7th.
To August 7th, 2024, 9 a.m. That's the bond in this case. I just set the bond. I'll get the file. I'll set her bond at a $5,000 personal recognizance bond. I'll order standard conditions, including no assaultive behavior or possession of any weapons. There's to be no use of any alcohol, recreational marijuana, or any illegal drugs. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
All right. And young lady, what are you studying to be?
Major in sports management, minor in physical therapist.
Ah, really? That's what you really want to be when you grow up?
Yes.
Really?
I love sports.
So why you want to do all that? You can just first till you need to about.
Cause I break too many bones. So why not be a physical
What kind of
therapist?
sport are you playing?
Basketball.
And breaking bones?
Yes. I broke my hip, my pinky. I get physical. You gotta get physical on the court.
I get it. So you broke all that.
Yeah.
What position?
A point guard, shooting guard.
How are you a guard breaking up? Never mind.
When you
No,
drive,
I don't
center.
even want.
When you drive, there's like 6-foot girls. I gotta get to the basket.
Okay, I mean I get that. On a pinky?
Yeah.
Wow. All right. Just mark the file. Our little guard. That's what we'll. All right. We'll see you on August 7th. Who's that with you?
My mom.
Did you really break all that? Wow, causing the family problems because you're breaking bones.
Yeah.
Were the points worth it?
Yeah.
Yeah, darn right they were. Okay. Okay, take care.
Thank you.
Do you admit responsibility to the fact that on or about June 16, 2024, Clark Road, Pittsfield Township, Washington County, State of Michigan, that you double parked a motor vehicle?
Yes,
All right, court will accept that admission to count 2. Count 1 is dismissed. Fines and cost of $180. When can you pay that?
I'm on a fixed income right now, so I won't have any money until August the 3rd, and I'll try to pay it before then.
All right.
Your Honor, I am so sorry. I admit my foot just slipped off the paddle. I was already, stopped at the light in front of the car, and I looked down because my boyfriend was in the hospital, and I'm trying to sneak up there in his vehicle, unknowing where I'm at. I've never been to Ypsilanti in my life, and I was just trying to get up there to surprise him for Father's Day. However, my foot slipped. I'm not used to driving his vehicle, but I did that day because he left it in my presence. So I do admit that I did barely even bang this man's car. I was crying. I was upset. I was
Okay.
truly upset.
And Mr. Honor?
Yes.
Okay, I believe you on all of that. Ma'am,
Thank
you receive SSI?
Yes, sir.
Okay, how much is that a month, ma'am?
$117 a month, 1,017 a month. But I also have my life's gas, my phone bill, my groceries, all of that to buy everything, and I'm just battling cancer, pancreatic cancer. I made it through by the grace of God. Have mercy, Lord. Thank you. But, Your Honor, I'm truly sorry.
All right. Ms.
I've never
Runner.
been in a car accident before in my life.
Okay, Ms. Runner.
Yes.
Here's what I'm going to do. Fines and costs of $180. I'm going to waive that entire balance, ma'am.
Thank
Go
you.
and take it. All right. You take care of yourself, Ms. Runner.
Thank you so much. God
You're
bless
welcome.
everybody in the courtroom today. Have mercy, because I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to slip off the brake.
I know, Ms. Runner, been
Yes,
doing this a while, and I can just hear, even though I can't see you, I can hear it in your voice.
I'm
It shouldn't
sorry.
have gone this way.
Yes,
It's okay.
yes.
All right.
You
You
know,
take care of yourself.
Yes, thank you, Judge. Thank you, Your Honor. God
Thank
bless
you.
you. Thank you, and it'll never happen again. Thank you.
I'm sure it won't, Ms. Runner.
I'm terribly
All right.
sorry.
Yes, ma'am.
Even for wasting your time. I'm sorry.
You didn't waste our time. You brought joy to our day. Okay.
Oh, God.
So
Thank you.
you take
Thank
care.
you. Thank you so much, and you all too. God bless you. Thank you, Your Honor. Oh, God. Thank you.
Good morning, Your Honor. I'm Alex Parks on behalf of Mr. Dink.
We got that this time. Okay, go ahead.
Your Honor, we were finally able to reach Mr. Dinkins last night, only to find out that he's been in the hospital since Tuesday because of the defibrillator in his chest went off and shocked him. He's having a procedure today. We are able to get the court documentation of his hospital stay, and in this matter, we are requesting an adjournment.
Hold it. We have the documentation.
We are able to get you the court documentation very quickly. We found out last night from him. It took us a long time to get in contact with.
Okay, I'm trying to figure out what you're trying to tell me.
So we're requesting a short adjournment. There has been a plea offer in this case that our client is ready to accept. And if we could come back in 2 weeks, we would do that then.
Okay, but you don't have the documentation.
We do not have the documentation.
You're going to get it to me.
Yes.
So what you meant to say is you're going to get it to me. You could get it to us quickly.
Yes, we can get the
Okay,
documentation.
that's
quickly.
Thank you. Probable cause conference will be adjourned August 1st, 2024. 9 a.m. Bond continued.
Thank you, Your Honor.
And young lady, do me a favor.
Yes.
All right. You come up. You're doing just fine. Just take a deep breath. All right. And just say what you have to say. All right.
Yes. Sounds good. Thank you, Your Honor.
Oh boy. Here we go.
Good morning, Your Honor. Maisie Berger requesting permission to practice pursuant to Michigan Court Rule 8.120 under the supervision of Mr. Jay Bellinger, representing my client, Ronald Fleming.
Wow. Impressive.
I memorized it for you.
I know. Hey, that's what happens.
I threw away the card.
There you go. You don't